We all love watching Facebook videos, but those 12-second video ad is just too much. So in this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can skip the Facebook unskippable ad. Let's go! First, we go to Facebook Watch. Then let's try to click on a video. And then let's try speeding it up where the ad is about to begin. Usually ad starts about 3 or 5 minutes in the video. There, stop here. And then click on the other tab for 4 seconds and then go back to Facebook Watch and voila! The ad is gone. Let me show it to you once again.